Okay guys, in the last video I produced a couple of days ago on the initial thoughts on this bag, I said I was going to be doing a loadout in a couple of days. Well, it's been a couple of days, so let's do the loadout. The only thing that's changed here is I did buy a little custom patch here. Look, this is a Velcro part here that you can put whatever kind of Velcro patches you want to. I bought this. I just think it looks cool. I think the whole bag looks cool, really. I can't wait to really use this bag, get more use, and I'm going to be producing probably a 3-month and a 6-month review on it to show you how it's holding up. But I have no idea. I have no doubt that it's going to hold up just great because this thing is very well constructed. The more I mess around with it, the more I play with it, I really think this is probably the finest bag I've ever had. So let's get at it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Okay guys, so here's the bag. Hope you can see that okay. Let's get started on the right side here. This is going to be the right side of the bag. Right here we've got the Weehaw electrician's hammer. I really like this hammer. It's got a little striking plate here. The rubber grip goes all the way up to the neck. Just a very nice hammer. Over here we've got our Milwaukee 6-inch level, billet aluminum. Got a Milwaukee pen light here. I got my Pica pencil here. I got a marker here. In here, I've got the Stanley 12-foot power lock. That's all I need is a 12-footer. And also, I've got a couple of the Klein Tools metric and SAE Allen key sets. We go to the left side of the bag. I've got the Hazette locking bit holder. I've got the Vessel electric screwdriver. And I tell you why I got this. The shape of it, it just fits perfect in this bag. I tried to put my Amazon Denali in there and it really didn't fit that well, but this one fits great. Then I got a Klein knife. I've got the Klein Tools saw, little drywall saw, what I use it for. Actually, this one's brand new, just got it. Very nice though. And then I've got my trusted Surefire stiletto light. Got my Milwaukee little small task light here. Got my Wright Tools adjustable wrench. I tell you, I really like this adjustable wrench. I bought this thinking it was made in the USA. I was going to put it in the made in USA bag, but actually it's made in Spain. But I was very impressed with it when I got it, so I decided to keep it, and I'm going to put it in this bag. And that's it over here. Now let's go to the front pocket. I was going to put in my Hazette smart holder in the front pocket here, but the more I thought about it, it was hard to get out, and it was, I don't know, I think I found a better solution. So let's take a look. I have got these 1/4-inch bit rail. Now this is, I think this is Hyper Tough from Walmart. Just 1/4-inch impact rated sockets. And then I got the metric. So this is the metric set, same thing. So there's my sockets. I got a little bit rail here that I put together. These are all the bits that I typically use. T15 through T40. This is the Phillips. I got a square 1 and 2. And then I've got the wrap adapter from Vera. And this is what drives everything. Now this thing is really cool. So this is the Easy Red double-headed flex head ratchet set. Now it's got a 1/4-inch ratchet on this side. Little thumb wheel if you want to, start them or whatever. You can use this thumb wheel. Got your lever here for your tightening and loosening. Then on the other side, it's a magnetic bit holder. So this is for my sockets and my bits. With this is a lot more, to me, it's a lot more practical than just using the little small, tiny ones they give you on those 2-check pluses. This is a 4S04 1/4-inch Easy Red double flex head. Very nice. Okay, let's get into the inside of the bag now. Here on this flap, I've just got a little railer, magnetic, and this fits on these magnets. If you remember last time, there's 3 strong rare earth magnets. I just keep this here. In this little pouch here, I've got some zip ties, and I got some more. These are just 2-inch bits. Now I'm going to start from the front and I'm going to go to the back, but you can see how well this thing holds all these tools. This is your 6-inch twin grips from Knipex. Here's the Gador needle nose pliers. I tell you, I love these. Probably one of my favorite pair of pliers. Look how cool that thing looks. This is my Fujia flush cut. Just keep the rubber band on here because there is a spring inside here. This is a Vera stubby. It's a non-ratcheting stubby, but it does have a little wobble top here with all your bits on there. I really like this. Here I've got the Klein rail, and this is in SAE, but I do have one coming in metric. Here I've got the Gador water pump pliers. Basically, it's a clone of the Knipex, but I tell you, I really like these Gador. I don't know. I could have put Knipex in here, but I really like the colors here, and I like the Gador, so I'm keeping it in this bag. Here we've got the Klein side cutters. Got the flag engraved here, made in the USA. Got the little Dasco Pro pry bar. I got a Klein 4-in-1 thermostat screwdriver. Typically all I need is a little flat and the Phillips. So I really like this one. Good size. Now we'll go here. This is the Milwaukee subcompact. This is really fits great in this bag. One thing I don't like about it is I wish it had modes, but it does have a good variable trigger. You see there, look how slow you can go. I mean, this trigger response is awesome on this thing. So that's the Milwaukee 1/4-inch driver, the subcompact. On the left side here, I do have, this is the Knipex ES Cobras, 8751-250, the extra slim. Here I've got a box of drill bits. This goes anywhere from 1/16 of an inch, I think, to 5/16. And it does have the 1/4-inch end on it, so you can operate it with your impact driver. This is the Vera insulated number 2 Phillips. Here is the Klein Tools non-contact voltage tester. This is your PB Swiss ratcheting screwdriver. This is the one that's got the bits in the handle. And I tell you, this is just one fine screwdriver. I really like this thing. I got this and the LTT are probably my favorites. In the back here, this is the Klein Tools adjustable screwdriver. You can see how you can make it go out as long as you want, and then it'll go down to regular 4-inch size. Great screwdriver. And you can also, this is, if you want to use your bit rail, this will hold your bit rail also. Okay, here's your NWS combination pliers, one of my favorite combination pliers. I just love these 3-piece handles that NWS does. Just a very fine tool here. And this is a Knipex needle nose combination pliers. You can see it's still got your little pipe gripping area here and a little small hole here where you can straighten out wires, you can hold brad nails, what have you. Just a nice size, 145 millimeter Knipex. Here I've got the forged wire strippers from Knipex, and I did buy them with these regular handles because I think they fit in the bag a lot better. So I just picked this up for this bag. It's a 1371/8. Okay, here is the Snap-on. This is the Snap-on LN47 ACF. It's the Talon grip pliers. Man, this is just a fine set of pliers here. They make some, I know Icon's got one that they copied from this, but this one here is made in the USA and very high quality. Then I've got the Klein beater here with the full tang through all the way to the striking cap flathead. I got the 7 1/4 inch pliers wrench, 8601/180 in here. Then I've got the another ES. This is the newer ES. It's got the little head here for screw extraction. Extra slim, 8751/180, 7 1/4 inch. Here I've got the Joker wrench, but this one from Vera is double-headed, as you can see. Here it's starts at 3/4 and goes all the way down to a 1/2 inch on this one. This is the self-adjusting type, and you can actually do some ratcheting with it. I just love these type of wrenches. And since they come out with this double, the 6006 model, it just makes it more practical to put in the bag. I'll go up here and go to this one now because this goes right along with it. This goes from a 1/2 inch all the way down to a 1/4 inch. Same thing. This is your 8-inch pair of twin grips from Knipex, the 8201-200. I've got bits stored here, and I've got extra batteries here for my flashlights, pen light, plus the Milwaukee light. And then here, I've got this Olight clip. And what I typically do with this is, what I plan on doing is, I'm just going to use it here on the bag in case I need a, it gives you good light here in the bag. I don't have anything in this back pouch, but you can see I have got a lot of tools here. See if I can swing you over. You can see all the tools that came out of this bag. It is loaded full. It really does have good organization. And I'll be completely honest with you now. My thoughts, this is the finest bag I've ever had. So with that, see you next week.